Have you ever heard of blockchain and Web 3.0? Let's dive into what they are and why they matter. Blockchain is a decentralized, secure, and transparent way of recording transactions. It has the potential to transform industries from finance to healthcare. Web 3.0 is the next generation of the Internet, powered by blockchain. It will enable decentralized applications and a more secure and private online experience. The potential impact of blockchain and Web 3.0 is enormous. A Deloitte report estimates that blockchain could generate $3.1 trillion in value by 2030. From reducing fraud to enabling secure online voting, the possibilities are endless. It's an exciting time to be part of the blockchain and Web 3.0 revolution today with Progneo.